Welcome to our YouTube channel Info News Diary by Farah Mansour. Today we will give you quick guide about how to start business on Shopify and earn money at home, so please keep watching.
In this video, we will guide you through the process of creating a successful online business on Shopify. Before we dive into the details, let's explore the benefits of using Shopify for your online business. Shopify offers a user-friendly interface, a wide range of customizable themes, secure payment gateways, and excellent customer support. Now, let's get started with creating your Shopify account. We will walk you through the step-by-step process, including signing up, choosing a plan, selecting a domain name, and setting up your store. To maximize your sales on Shopify, it's important to optimize your product listings. We will guide you through the process of creating compelling product descriptions, high-quality product images, and effective pricing strategies. Once your products are listed, it's crucial to efficiently manage orders and ensure smooth delivery. We will show you how to process orders, track shipments, and provide excellent customer service. Finally, let's explore strategies for earning money and growing your business on Shopify. We will discuss marketing techniques, customer retention strategies, and scaling your business for long-term success. Congratulations! You now have the knowledge and tools to start your own successful business on Shopify. Don't wait any longer, take the first step towards your entrepreneurial journey today. In this video, we will discuss the key strategies to identify and promote products that are in high demand. To select trendy products for your Shopify store, let's start with market research. Next, we will explore trend analysis. Finally, let's look at competitor analysis. Once you have selected trendy products for your Shopify store, it's time to promote them. Let's start with social media marketing. Next, we will discuss influencer collaborations. Finally, let's look at email marketing. In conclusion, selecting trendy products and promoting them strategically can greatly impact the success of your Shopify store. Remember to stay updated with the latest trends and continuously optimize your marketing efforts. Start implementing these strategies today and watch your sales soar.
Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe our YouTube channel.